For the prawn cutlets, we will need marinated prawns, finely chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, finely chopped green chili, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander leaves, salt, boiled and mashed potatoes. Heat some oil, finely chopped onion and saute it for 2 minutes. Add the ginger garlic paste and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the green chili, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander leaves. Now add the marinated prawns and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. These prawns have been marinated in turmeric, chili powder, lemon juice for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the mixture cool down. In a bowl, take the mashed potato, add the prawn mixture and some salt to it and mix well. Take a small portion of the mixture and make small round cutlets of them. Coat the cutlets in semolina or breadcrumbs. Heat some oil in a pan. Let the cutlets cook on each side for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. The prawn cutlets are now ready to serve.